Good day, everyone. This is Kabir Abubakar Muhammad, and today is our first day of our basic data analysis class, where we will treat data analysis and we focused on macroeconomic data and a bit of research. Before starting the course, we need to discuss or talk on one thing, which is developing a data-driven mindset. As a data analyst, the use of software or the computer aids you, but 85% of the data analysis work is done by your brain. Which means you need to train your brain in a way that it can detect or tells you why such or how such thing happens. The computer is just there to analyze or help you in the analysis. For example, let's make use of a regression. When you have regression with just two variables, and it's just a variable for just 2 years, 3 years, you can analyze it manually using your pen and your calculator. But when you have a data set of 40, 50, 70 years, it will be hard for you to achieve that in a short time. And chances of errors is very high in that analysis. That is where the software comes in. This means you need to have a data-driven mindset. The software will aid you, but you are the one to give the software the command on what you want. The software will give you the output, then you will understand the output, what the software gives you. How can you interpret it? What is the relationship between the data sets that the software or the output of the software? This is very important. Developing a data-driven mindset involves training your brain to see information or to see insights from unstructured data, or to see things differently compared to those who are laymen in the field. For example, you are involved in a research. Right from the beginning, from your problem statement, you will understand the variables you need. Why am I using this? How does this relate to this? This is a skill that is very important. On the other hand, a data-driven mindset helps you to put your activities in metrics or measure your activities. For example, it can help you in time management, because if you analyze what you spend most time on, you will know those things that you don't need to spend time anymore on. For example, you spend time watching movies, and on the other hand, you spend time reading, or you spend time, chatting with your friends. If you compile all this data, see the time I spent 3 hours with my friend, I spent 2 hours watching movie, I spend 1 hour coding or doing something important. From there, when you sit down, let's say it happens in a week or a month or a year, you sit down, analyze it. You will know the things you spend most of your times on. From there, you quantify and you strategize to channel your time on productive activities. Understanding this is very, very important in data analysis. Data analysis is not just about copying or replicating what is given to you. It's about you having the creative mindset that I need to do this, I need to do that, I have seen this, I have detected this, I need to work on this. It starts from you, not from what you are working with, be it a research or academic data, or maybe a company research or company data. For this class, we'll focus on macroeconomic data, as I've stated, and a bit of research to uncover trends and patterns from macroeconomic data. And for the purpose of this class, we'll use just 2 softwares: Microsoft Excel and eViews. this is all for today, and see you tomorrow.